in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Silent Night on the violin. Be sure to stick around to the end so you can play along with my string karaoke. If you'd like a PDF copy of the music used in this video, write to me at hello@violinwithkatherine.com. Thanks for joining me here at Violin with Katherine, where I make new helpful violin tutorials every week. If you're a regular, welcome back. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. The Silent Night that we are going to learn today, let's get a little bit more of that Christmas tree in there, is in the key of D major. So if we play a D major scale from our open D string, we're going to use the M hand shape. You can check out these videos over here to make sure you understand that fully. And we will use the same hand shape on our A string. So it's the second finger position that we will then change when we're up on the E string. We will use a low hand shape or a low 2. So on the D string it will be the M, on the A string the M, and we'll move the second finger to a low second finger on the E string. We're going to start on our A string. A, 1 A, 2 on the D. A, 1 A, 2 on the D. Open E, E, 2 on the A, 3, 3, open A, 1 on the A, 1, 3, 2, 1, A, 1 A, 2 on the D. 1 on the A, 1, 3, 2, 1, A, 1 A, M2 on the D. Open E, E, low 2, E, M2 on the A, 3, 1 on the E, 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 4 on the D, 3, 1, open D. Or you can do your open A, 3, 1, open D to finish it off if you prefer. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining me here today. I hope you have fun playing Silent Night. Make sure you hit the like button down below and I'll see you next time.